A wing has chord of 1 m. Find the appropriate range of the front spar position from LE. A 0.2 m 0.3 m. B 0.9 m 1.5 m. C 3.2. D 1.2. The correct answer is 0.2 m 0.3 m. A typical large airliner has outer diameter of 20 inches. Find the approximate value of diameter for passenger compartment. A 12 inches. B 34 inches. C 20 inches. D 24 in. The correct answer is 12 in. A spar is located at 65 of Mach from leading edge. If spar is positioned in such way that distance between TE and spar is 2 m, then estimate chord of wing. A 5.71 m. B 6.8. C 4.4. D 6.5. The correct answer is 5.71 m. Longerons are used to oppose A. Bending. B. Expansion only. C. Contraction only. D. Drag. The correct answer is bending. Span loading is defined as A. Distribution of weight along span as lift distribution. B. Thrust loading. C. Wing loading. D. Inverse of power loading. The correct answer is distribution of weight along span as lift distribution. FME stands for A. Failure modes and effect analysis. B. Failure mass and effect analysis. C. Failure mass and effective analogy. D. Failure modes and effect analogy. The correct answer is failure modes and effect analysis. Fuselage bending loads are carried by A. Keelson. B. Tail. C. Nelson. D. Ribs. The correct answer is Keelson. We can minimize the weight of the structural member by A. Placing opposite forces near to each other. B. Placing opposite forces away from each other. C. Placing similar forces near to each other. D. Placing only upward forces near to each other. The correct answer is placing opposite forces near to each other. To reduce weight of the structural member we can A. Provide shortest and straightest possible load paths. B. Provide only straightest possible load paths. C. Provide only shortest possible load paths. D. Provide shortest and highly curved possible load paths. The correct answer is provide shortest and straightest possible load paths. To decrease the weight of a typical commercial fuselage, stringers should be A. Straight and uninterrupted. B. Straight and curved. C. Interrupted at every point. D. Only straight. The correct answer is straight and uninterrupted. What is the load path? A. Structural elements by virtue of which opposing forces are connected. B. Structural elements by virtue of which similar forces are connected. C. Structural elements by virtue of which opposite moments are linked. D. Lifting path. The correct answer is structural elements by virtue of which opposing forces are connected. Vulnerability of an aircraft is ability of the aircraft A. To sustain damage, continue flying and return to base. B. To get damaged and failed. C. To the radar detection. D. To an IR detection. The correct answer is to sustain damage, continue flying and return to base. Is key parameter for vulnerability A. Vulnerable area. B. RCS. C. IR. D. Visual area. The correct answer is vulnerable area. FME will consider A. Which battle damage can affect individual aircraft components. B. Lift. C. Weight by an aircraft. D. RCS. The correct answer is which battle damage can affect individual aircraft components. If possible, we should avoid using any structural cutout. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. Vulnerable area will be same for each and every aircraft. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true.